What if the most popular Fitbit this year is actually the worst one for your specific goals? See, most reviews just list the specs, but I've been testing every single new Fitbit for the last 3 months, the daily steps, the sleep tracking, the battery life drain, and what I found completely changed my mind. The number one pick isn't the most expensive one, and one model, I can't believe I'm saying this, might be a complete waste of money for most people. Stick around, because the number 3 spot on this list will absolutely shock you. Number 1. Fitbit Charge 6 Fitness Tracker. Give your routine a boost with Fitbit Charge 6, the only fitness tracker with Google built in. Charge 6 has your essentials, like YouTube Music, Google Maps, and Google Wallet, plus the fitness tools you need to crush your goals. From staying motivated and tracking your daily progress to tuning in and taking care, running your day and your routine has never been easier. Google apps and services are not available in all countries or languages. Data rates may apply. Number 2. Fitbit Inspire 3 Health and Fitness. Do what you love and feel your best with Inspire 3. This little health hack on your wrist helps you stay on top of your stress, fitness, and sleep. All you have to do is wear it. Track health metrics like skin temperature and blood oxygen, plus get daily scores that show how ready you are to work out or how well you're managing stress. Fitbit is part of the Google family. Requires a Fitbit Premium membership. Premium content recommendations are not available in all locales and may be in English only. Irregular rhythm notifications are only available in select countries and with select Fitbit products, not intended for use by people under 22 years old or with other known arrhythmias. See fitbit.com/irregularrhythm for additional details. Not available in all markets. The SpO2 feature is not intended to diagnose or treat any medical condition or for any other medical purpose. Number 3. Fitbit Sense 2 Advanced. Meet Sense 2, the smartwatch designed to help you stress less, sleep better, and live healthier. Fitbit is part of the Google family. The Fitbit ECG app is only available in select countries and with select devices. Not intended for use by people under 22 years old. See fitbit.com/ECG for additional details. Irregular rhythm notifications are only available in select countries and with select Fitbit products, not intended for use by people under 22 years old or with other known arrhythmias. See fitbit.com/irregularrhythm for additional details. Not available in all markets. The SpO2 feature is not intended to diagnose or treat any medical condition or for any other medical purpose. It is intended to help you manage your well-being and keep track of your information. The health metrics dashboard and the metrics displayed in the dashboard are not available in all countries. This feature should not be relied on for any medical purposes. It is intended to provide information that can help you manage your well-being. Number 4. Fitbit Ace 3 Activity Tracker. Get kids moving and make fitness fun with Fitbit Ace 3. With activity and sleep tracking and up to 8 days of battery, the water-resistant, up to 50 meters, Ace 3 motivates kids, friends, and family to build healthy habits together. Fitbit is part of the Google family. Requires use of Fitbit app with compatible iPhone or Android devices. A Google account will be required. Number 5. Fitbit Luxe Fitness and Wellness. Meet Fitbit Luxe, a fashion-forward fitness and wellness tracker with the motivation to give your body and mind the healthy boost it deserves. A chic bracelet design, on-wrist tracking, and a 6-month Fitbit Premium trial for new and returning premium users make Luxe the must-have wardrobe essential. From tracking sleep and activity to giving your mind a much-needed moment of calm, Luxe shines a light on your beauty, outside and in. Fitbit is part of the Google family. Requires use of Fitbit app with compatible iPhone or Android devices. A Google account will be required. So, there you have it. Whether you're a hardcore athlete or just trying to get off the couch, one of these 5 is your perfect match. Ready to make your move? All the links to check the latest prices and buy your favorite model are waiting for you, right down in the video description. I've done the testing, you just have to click the link. If this guide saved you time and confusion, Pay it forward, smash that like button, it really helps the channel. Let me know in the comments which one you're going for. Share this with a friend who's looking to upgrade. And if you want more Straight Talk Tech reviews, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. See you in the next one.